The Maxonar VR Charging Cable offers a seamless charging experience with its advanced 18-watt charging port, perfect for Meta Quest and Pico devices. It provides an exceptional PC VR gaming experience by connecting VR devices to gaming PCs, ensuring smooth and immersive gameplay. The cable's Smart Protect 3.0 chip intelligently manages power and data transmission, helping to prolong battery life and reduce heat generation. Supporting a 5 gigabits per second transmission speed, this USB 3.2 Gen 1 cable allows for high-quality VR experiences with impressive resolution and refresh rates. With a 16-foot length, the cable offers excellent flexibility and durability, allowing for wide-ranging movement during VR sessions without compromising performance. As a perfect gift choice, the Maxonar cable comes with a 36-month worry-free guarantee and outstanding customer service support.